In today's video, I'm going to show you how to remove Google Chrome extensions quickly and easily. Whether you want to clean up your browser, remove an extension you no longer use, or fix issues caused by a bad add-on, this guide will walk you through the exact steps. If this video helps you out, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more simple tech tutorials just like this. Alright, let's jump right in. First, open Google Chrome on your computer. Once Chrome is open, look to the top right corner of the browser window and click the three vertical dots. This is the main menu where Chrome keeps most of its settings and tools. After you click the menu, hover over Extensions. A small submenu will appear, and from there, select Manage Extensions. This will take you to the Extensions page, where you can see all of the add-ons currently installed in your browser. Now take a moment to scroll through the grid of extensions until you find the one you want to get rid of. If you have a lot of extensions installed, it may take a second to locate the right one, so double check the name and icon before removing anything. Once you've found the extension you want to delete, look on its card and click the Remove button. Chrome will then ask you to confirm that you really want to remove it. This is an important step because it helps prevent accidental deletion. Go ahead and click Remove once more to fully uninstall the extension from Chrome. And that's it. The extension is now removed from your browser. If you are having problems with Chrome performance, unwanted pop-ups, or a tool you simply don't use anymore, removing extensions like this can help keep your browser running cleaner and faster. If this tutorial was useful, don't forget to give it a like, subscribe to the channel, and turn on notifications so you never miss the next quick how-to video. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.